An eastern Idaho man claims he was discriminated against because of his race while working at a Chick-fil-A outside Idaho Falls. Thomas Wade, who is African American, is suing the franchise owner, saying coworkers and supervisors racially harassed him. Abby Davis is here to break down the lawsuit.
Jude, the lawsuit was filed in federal court in March. Court documents lay out claims that are very disturbing and often graphic. A Chick-fil-A in Ammon, just east of Idaho Falls, is at the center of a legal battle. It's where former employee Thomas Wade says he was harassed and discriminated against because of his race.
Well, the typical sequence of steps is a worker will come to us and tell us of some sort of adverse employment action, usually termination.
Wade's 3 attorneys filed a federal lawsuit in March detailing the allegation against the Chick-fil-A franchise owner, Lauren Misteller.
It's ongoing, and I can't make any comment on that lawsuit.
Attorney Ryan Dustin wouldn't speak to the specifics in the lawsuit, but court documents show Wade, who was black, started working at Chick-fil-A as a cook around December 2022. He claims his coworkers called him various racial slurs and discriminated against him based on his race. At one point, allegedly saying he was antique farming equipment, a slavery reference. Wade says they also threatened to cage him. The lawsuit states Wade reported racist comments to management 25 to 30 times between March and October 2023. He says management ignored his concerns, passed over him for a promotion, and eventually fired him because of his race and because he reported the alleged discrimination.
All 3 of us care deeply about people just being treated fairly. That's all this is about.
Lauren Misteller told me this is the first time in the past 14 years that a current or former employee has sued them. The owner said in a statement, quote, "While we strongly dispute the profoundly disturbing claims that have been made, we take any allegation of misconduct seriously. We are committed to fully cooperating with the legal process and remain focused on fostering a safe, inclusive, and respectful environment for everyone on our team." Dustin says they filed charges of discrimination with the Idaho Human Rights Commission and the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission last spring. The Idaho Human Rights Commission found probable cause, paving the way for Wade to sue. Jude.
And Abby, this was filed in March, so where do things stand right now?
They're in the discovery phase, which means attorneys are gathering and exchanging information and evidence. So a long ways to go.
All right, thank you.